What's up, Polygon Matic holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. My friends, at this time, the price changes occur in the Polygon Matic is going wrong. In this video, I will show you, friends, the tomorrow price of the Polygon Matic. So keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. At this time, the latest price of Polygon Matic, and you can see here. First of all, Polygon Matic a good investment? Answer me this question, my friends, in the comment box. Is Polygon a good investment or not? Tell me in the comment box. And the current price is going down. Negative 0.6232%. The price of the Polygon Matic is going down in this time in the market. Anyways, let's see, my friends, the tomorrow price of the Polygon Matic. Let's see the price chart. Let's see the next move of Polygon Matic. My friends, absolutely, the Polygon Matic have a complicated change period at this time. It's sometimes the price pump, falls down, again pump, falls down. You can see from the previous last 1 month, the price of Polygon Matic is going negative. But now this time, gradually they start moving upward. One day take a jump, and after a 1 day jump they again falls down for 5 hours, and after that again jump. This process is continue in a Polygon Matic. Let's see, my friends, the next target for a Polygon Matic is absolutely very highest, and you can see that they are going straight to the moon, my friends. Now Polygon Matic is going to the moon. That is the next target, next price prediction for Polygon Matic, my friends. So hope you like this video, and please, if you don't subscribe, so subscribe now. And here is your tomorrow price of the Polygon Matic. Tomorrow is the 11th date, June 2021, and now the current price is 1.445 USD dollar, and the minimum price of Polygon Matic is 1.055 USD dollar. That is the minimum price of the Polygon. And on the other side, the maximum price is absolutely going to 2 USD dollar. 1.824 USD dollar is the maximum price of the Polygon Matic. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.